National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Highland County, northwestern Scioto County, Ross County, western Pike County, Pickaway County, Adams County, southeastern Mason County, northwestern Lewis County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Austin to Seaman to Orangeburg, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include West Union, New Holland, Peebles, Bainbridge, Circleville, Asheville, Kingston, Chillicothe. In addition, Austin, Sandiana, Serpent Mound, Sinking Spring, Duncansville, Clarksburg, Frankfort and State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22 are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.